everyone, I'm Michelle with Designs by JuJu, and in today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can use embossed embroidery designs to create unique and dimensional projects. In today's tutorial, I will be highlighting two new design sets from Designs by JuJu, embossed winter scenes and embossed Christmas ornaments. I will be walking you through the supplies needed to create an embossed design, as well as some tips and tricks for how you can be successful when stitching embossed designs. So let's go ahead and grab those supplies and let's get started. For today's tutorial, we're going to be talking all things embossed designs, specifically highlighting two brand new design sets from Designs by JuJu, embossed winter scenes and embossed Christmas ornaments. Now, the steps and supplies needed in today's tutorial are pretty much the same for all embossed designs that you can find from Designs by JuJu. The main thing that you want to remember is when you select whatever you're going to be embroidering on, it works best for the embossed designs if it has some type of a nap on it, some type of dimension within your fabric. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be stitching on this hand towel, but I also am going to show you a pillowcase that I did using the embossed winter scenes. So for the supplies needed for any embossed design, like I said, you will want some type of a project that has a nap. So I'm using a hand towel today. You will also need a water-soluble topper. This product is absolutely essential for any type of design that has a nap within your project. The water-soluble topper helps to contain your nap as it's stitching, and then when you remove it, which it removes very easily, the nap and the texture peeks through on your embossed design. It's really cool. Again, I'm going to show you how that works with the pillowcase that I made here in a bit. I am going to be using magicMELT Wash Away Embroidery Stabilizer as my main stabilizer since I am making a hand towel. If you need a step-by-step tutorial on how to embroider on hand towels, I will have a YouTube video linked below for how you can do that. I'm not going to go through those steps today. I already have it loaded onto my magnetic hoop. Now, the important thing to note here is that a water-soluble topper is not a stabilizer. It is a topper because it goes on top of the project that you're embroidering on. Its only job is to help contain that nap, like I said. So you do have to have two products. You have to have your stabilizer, which is below on the back side of your hoop, and then you have to have this topper to contain that nap or those fibers. All right, so we are going to be stitching from the embossed Christmas ornaments design, and I am going to be stitching on the 6x10 size for my project. So the only supplies that I need is my stabilizer, like I said, my towel, my topper, very important, and of course, some embroidery thread. Now, if you are going to be stitching the embossed winter scene set, which is gorgeous, I cannot wait to show you that, you will want to reference your cut chart and really try to stick with the colors recommended in your cut chart because those designs are digitized to create a type of an ombre look, and the colors that have been selected will really give you the best outcome for those designs. So again, I can't wait to show you those here in just a little bit. For my project, I am going to be using reds and greens for Christmas, obviously. And then for my knockdown stitch, I'm going to be using a coordinating thread color to help kind of camouflage and blend in with the nap of my towel. I'm going to go ahead and push these supplies off to the side real quick because I do want to show you that embossed winter scene. And then we'll get over to the embroidery machine to start on our embossed Christmas ornaments towel. All right, so I've just moved my supplies out of the way and I wanted to show you this embossed winter scene and how gorgeous it is. These designs are so fun. So I stitched the 8x8 reindeer size for this pre-made pillowcase that I purchased off of Amazon. Very easy to use, but I did want to show you how important the water-soluble topper is for this project. So here I left my topper on here so you could see how easily it removes, but the main job for the topper is again to contain all of this nap. So if I had left this and just stitched without a topper, all of these little fibers would have a tendency to want to peek through my design and it doesn't give you as clean of a finish. But when you use the topper, once you remove it, it removes away very cleanly. And then you get to enjoy the full effect of your embossed design. And then when you remove it out of the center too, that nap has a chance to really shine. It gives it that full effect and makes it look really, really cool. Now, if you have any little pieces of topper that you're struggling to get out, a pro tip I have is just to take a little water bottle sprayer, and you're just going to spray a small amount. You just want to hit it with a little bit of water, not too much. And then you can take your excess piece of topper and place it on top, press it down, and then if you pull it like a Band-Aid, it's going to remove all of those other little bits and pieces. So now all of that topper is removed very easily. So that's just a little pro tip if you're struggling in these areas where the stitching is a little bit narrower and you can't get them out. That's a very easy way to do it. So there you go. How cool is that? And oh, these designs are so fun. I'm so excited that we are releasing these from Designs by JuJu. And again, like I said, specifically with these embossed scenes, this is that ombre effect I was talking about. So you really do want to reference that color chart that's included with your purchase for those specific colors that you should use to give you that awesome ombre effect. Okay, so that's enough chatting about these designs. Let's head over to the embroidery machine and I will show you how to stitch one out. All right, we're over at the embroidery machine. I already have my 6x10 hoop loaded onto my machine, and of course, I have my most essential item for my embossed designs. I have my topper directly on top of my towel. So we are ready to go ahead and start stitching this embossed Christmas design. So the first stitch is a pretty lengthy stitch, so I'm not going to show the entire stitch on camera, but it is the knockdown stitch, which is going to knock down all of these fibers that are on our towel. So it's going to run a nice stitch over the top of them to secure them, help to lay them flat. And then once our project is complete, you'll see the final effect, which gives us that embossed and raised design. So I already have my coordinating thread. Like I said, I'm going to be using a white thread to coordinate with my towel. So I'm going to go ahead and run those stitches, and I'll pop in just a clip of what that knockdown stitch is doing when we get about midway through, so you can see the work it's doing and how cool that is. And then we'll finish this project. The embossed design has just finished stitching, so I've got my entire knockdown stitch, and you can already see here in the middle it's a lot puffier because that's going to give it that embossed effect. So it's knocked down all of these fibers around the towel. So the remaining stitches are all decorative. It's going to do the outline of the Christmas tree, the decorative leaves and holly, and then the outline of the ornament and the bow. So I'm going to go ahead and run those stitches, and then I'll show you what we're left with. And there we go. Our towel is complete. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove it from my hoop. And then all we need to do is, again, remove our topper, and it removes very easily. And just like before, for any of those little excess bits, just spray a little bit of water. Place your topper on top and tear it away like a band-aid. And there we go. Now you may be wondering about all of the little topper that's underneath of the knockdown stitch. And I never worry about that. If it's a project like a hand towel or a piece of clothing, it's gonna wash away when you wash it in your washing machine because it's a water soluble topper. So it dissolves easily when washed. If it's on a project like my pillowcase and I'm not planning to wash it, it's really never going to be seen because that knockdown stitch really knocks those fibers down and contains all of it. So it just looks like it's a stitch. It doesn't really look like there's anything underneath of it. So as you can see, once we have removed all of that topper, how fun this embossed design here is in the middle. It really gives it some cool dimension. And then all of the area that's been knocked down with those knockdown stitches are nice and flat, which gives it all of that fun puff here in the middle. This can be used, like I said, with anything that has a nap. It's very cool on Minky or Sherpa. If you have some faux fur or something like that that has a lot of texture, using an embossed design can really bring that project to life. I hope you have enjoyed today's tutorial on how to stitch using embossed embroidery designs. On camera, I showed you how to stitch the new embossed Christmas ornaments designs. We discussed the tips and techniques needed, as well as the necessity for a water-soluble topper. We also took a look at the new embossed Christmas scenes designs, which I just absolutely love. Both of these designs are now available from Designs by JuJu. If you're looking for a plethora of other embossed designs, make sure to check the description box below where I have more linked. I hope you have enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget to check that description box below for those helpful links. Also, make sure to join the Designs by JuJu Blessings Facebook group for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. We hope to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy stitching!